What's up, everybody? So I'm looking at two charts. They're both MNQ. The problem I have is they're different. Anyone know why that is? This is MNQ. This is MNQ also. And it looks like this chart is a little bit of like telling the future. You know what I mean? So I don't know how to explain it. It's something's wrong. Something's wrong. So this is 920. 920. 940. 930. I don't understand. I must have delayed data on. That's not good. Data is delayed 10 minutes because of exchange. I guess I can log in. I didn't realize it was delayed. So that'd be the problem. I was trying to figure it out. 837 subs. We closing in on 1,000 fast. Yes, sir. Appreciate that. Thanks for bringing that up. Pretty excited about it. It's all because of everyone like you, man. All right, I'm in a trade just to test out support here. I got in just a little early because of this bounce, but just trading 3 micros right now. I was in 5 and put some sales in, just 2 contracts, lessen my risk here. But anyway, I'll scale back in once it bounces if it gets above here. This is the 5-minute. Hopefully we get a nice little bounce, but may not. It's not looking too good anyway. Yeah, that caught me off guard. I was just like, what the heck's going on? Data delayed. Gonna have to log in. I don't remember ever showing delayed data. Let's see. Oh yeah, I got something else to show you guys too. Pretty upset about. Hang on. Oh, that's gold. All right, we are in business. Everything matches. Cool. What's good, Chris? How you doing? Come on, let's bounce. Chris said, past that apex I won last week. It started funded today. Nice, man. Congratulations. Happy for you. I should have a take profit account to trade, but I feel like I got screwed. Let me show you. No problem, man. No problem. Take your time with it, all right? Let's not blow it up. All right, so that password don't work, by the way, so go ahead and try it. It's not gonna work. Anyway, the account. So I got here it is. You know, I passed around, I don't know. I only needed $700. Passed over half of it in 2 days. Needed $750, right? Got $860 on the first 2 days, and then the last day, or the second to last day, I got $1660. My consistency is 65%. Now I gotta reach 33.21. To me, that's not fair because I don't know. It just don't make sense. Because of this, I mean, I overshot just for the heck of it. It was a good trade. I wanted to see how much I could make out of it. And yeah, I mean, I didn't make $1660 on the trade, but it was like a $1,300 or $1,400 trade. But yeah, it sucks, man. This account should be passed, but it's not. And this didn't update until Friday, so it was saying 3 forever. I don't know. This sucks. I sent in a ticket about it. We'll see what they say. I'll trade it to the $3,300. We need what? 33.21 minus. Excuse me. What's the account at right now? 27,535. So 25.35. Oh, it's right there, isn't it? I need another $786. It goes away once funded, I think. Yeah, I'll get it. I ain't worried about it. The 65%, though, it shouldn't be that. I only needed half of my balance. You know what I mean? So I got the first half, and then this was the second half. And then I just flipped a trade the next day. It's not fair. Not fair at all. But it is what it is. Guess there's nothing I can do about it. Sent them a ticket. Hopefully they'll fix it, but if not, whatever. Ooh, that's bright. Let's see. I need to trade some Apex. My throat's a little sore today, guys, so apologize. All right. Apex all set. Oh yeah, I gotta sign my Apex agreements. I forgot all about that. Didn't even activate these accounts. 80% off sale ends in 3 days, guys. $25141. Love you. What you doing?
Just brush my teeth.
About to go to bed? Cool beans, man.
Did anybody talk about me whenever I was in here last time?
I don't remember. I think they all said, you're cute.
Yeah. Apex is 80% off. Use code JSTDT for the best deal.
Yeah, tell them.
Wait, did you say that?
Yeah, it's my code.
Oh, Streamlabs is you?
What?
Is Streamlabs you?
Streamlabs? Yeah, that's my... They automatically do that.
Oh, can you take my watch off? Please. See it right there.
Good grief.
I have it on tight.
See that?
Very tight. Trust me. Very. Getting a kind of good trade. Oh, wait, never mind. Is it the middle one?
Yeah, it's negative $70 right now, but I'm not that worried about it. Here you go.
Thank you. Is that right here for now?
I gotta write down my Apex numbers real quick. 131. Quit doing that with your nose.
Mouth's a little wet. Take this out. Fur ball. I have a fur ball. Daddy, look at this fur ball.
Mm-hmm.
It's pet fur ball.
35.
Fur ball, fur ball. Fur ball, fur ball.
Can you stop? Go in there, okay? Good night, I love you.
Mwah. Love you.
Go.
Kiss you.
Love you.
Good night, guys.
And girls.
And girls.
That was 136. My pen is like losing ink here. That's alright. And then the last one's 137. I had to sign these PA agreements because I will forget. 131, 135. I'll pay for them tomorrow. So how's everyone doing? Have a good week in the market? I'm gonna request this payout on Apex, but I know it's gonna get denied because I made an idiot mistake. Went over my 30%, but that's okay. Keep trading until it's good. All right, back to Tradeovate here. I need to get... I don't know. The market started off pretty good tonight, but now it's kind of slowed down quite a bit. No bueno. I thought it was going to be a extra good night tonight. Ooh, that's bright. Make sure y'all hit that like button. Thank you much. All right, we're probably going to lose this trade here. It's not looking too good. But that's okay. That's okay. I'm really considering putting my stop at the bottom of this wick, like right in here. But that means if I lose this, I gotta trade like $500 deficit tomorrow. But it needs to go retest 564. I feel like it needs to come back up too, but I don't really know. I never do. I just react, right? We're in like this order block on all time frames above 15 minute. How many points is that? 40, 50, 60, so 20, 40, about 50 points. Wick here. Maybe this will be another one. I'm hoping this matches this. Wishful thinking, right? I don't know. I'd like to see it come down a little more against my trade here. I know it sounds counterintuitive, but I want it to respect this 528, 527 level and then bounce back up to VWAP. And it could still happen. It's not impossible. So we have a little bit of let's see, about 10 points to go. One thing I don't like is trading after a big move up. I know it's coming down, possibly, probably, but it's a big move, a lot of gap to fill. Deshant, Daddy, why trade on Monday? That's also Asia. It will be so dry. Yeah, man, it just takes a little longer to get where you want it to go, but trades still work out. I'm only testing something right now anyway. Small size, nothing serious. How you doing, Deshant? I will be trading market open tomorrow. I just want to get my $250 a day on each account. Make a couple grand every day. We might bounce from here. Kind of got an indecision candle here, so I hope so. I might size
Order
in.
filled.
Wow, that's loud. Size in one more here. Yeah, Mondays aren't the greatest, nor Fridays. I still trade them though. I'm not gonna be on long tonight, guys. I'm gonna take it easy. I'm sore. I helped put a roof on for my aunt. All good. Just getting ready for Indian markets to open in an hour. Then in the evening, trade indices like New York session. In New York session. How are you? I'm doing good, bro. Frank, how you doing, man? Appreciate the like, sir. Hopefully we get a little bounce here. I mean, it doesn't have to hit this area, but somewhere in here, right? Kind of the theory. I said theory, not Siri. Siri came on and did it again. That time I did say it. Yeah, so this was my idea. I was really thinking it'd probably go deeper in, but market does what it wants, not what I want. I have a slight headache, so it's starting to kind of go sideways here, so it might reverse. Sideways is usually pretty good for a reversal. So far, this is our low of day. I took one contract in Q on my Apex account. Long. Entries 23,538 currently. So we're a point down. Starting to get some sort of reaction here, hopefully to the upside. Currently down $50 on my Apex. Got all these accounts here, and they're all like past. I guess you can't see that, can you? All right, now we're in the green here, finally. Nice little push up. Looking for a couple $100 on this trade. That way I don't have to trade it tomorrow. One less account that I have to worry about, right? Target's around the 544, 546 area. My stop is kind of fluid. It's here, but I'm going to drag it to break even here in a moment. If we can get it. All right, bull flag. Come on, let's go. Nasdaq don't care what I say, does it? Come on. All right, bull flag. Let's go. This is the 1 minute. I want to switch over to the 5 for a moment. See what she's looking like. Still looking like a reversal. A slow reversal. 1 minute sideways. So I'm happy with the trade. All right, there's the bull flag. Come on. Play out, baby. My wife is making some brownies, and man, they smell good. Really good, really good. All right, we're up 35. Keep going, Nasdaq. I'm about to set this to break even if it can get above that. If it can get above that or above 542. I mean, we have this to worry about. It needs to beat all of this. All right, we're at $60 right now. I'm gonna set it just slightly above break even so that fees good. Got a little volatility coming in too, which is good. How are we looking over here? All right, see, we are up $11.90. You can't see that, can you? $11.90 on that trade because it was pretty much a break even, which is fine. I will wait and try it again. But we still have this account in right now. Let's see. I'm hoping it goes and retests VWAP. I kind of want to jump back in. Put my stop here. Back down here for now. If it crashes below this, I don't want to be in the trade anyway. Take a $150 risk here. Come on. Engulf it. All right, guys, don't forget to hit that like button. I sure appreciate it. Thank you, thank you. Say hey if you haven't already. Maybe we can get a giveaway out before I go to bed. All right. Not a good trade. We're down 121, but we'll wait and see. I should have waited until it came back down and retested this area, but it's all right. This red line is low of day, by the way. If we get a pretty sizable wick here, I will jump in again. We do have a little gap here and a gap down again. I'm gonna have to wait until market open tomorrow. Looks like it. I'm not gonna hang around long enough. Can't forget though that we have these. Let me go to a higher time frame here. We have this still down here. First sign of green on the 15, I will take another long. with a wick. It needs to look something like this. Something like this. For me to jump in. I would be happy with that. I've had this Apex account for a long time. Too long. Alright, I'm liking that wick. Check it out on the 15. Got a sign of green here. Ideally, it closes above this here. And we try again for another long. Much time is left here? On the 15, we have, oh, it's a brand new candle now. And it closed up. Good. I like what I see. Alright. Took that trade off the 15. Let's manage it on the 5. And look in reversal territory here, which is great. I'd like to get my money back that I lost and make like $200 to $500. I will set my stop here, and I will move my stop as it goes. I'm gonna set it to actual break even for now, because we are in a good trade. If it stops me out, I'll jump back in. It's not looking like it's gonna. Look at that wick. All right, we're up $45. Let's go buy a Lambo. Just kidding. I'll never own a Lambo in my life. Ever. All right, I'm going to move my stop just a slight bit here, just to the bottom of the candle. We're up 70, and now we're down $30, so $40. Making some of that money back that we lost. These brownies are smelling good, man. Ooh, ho, ho, ho. Don't doubt yourself. Next year, Lambo. Nah, I don't ever want a Lambo. Yeah, no, I'm good. I'm so good. I don't. No. Lambo is not me, sir. All right, so I'm going to hang on to this trade until VWAP, which is 23,563. And that's way up here, so it should, in theory. I can't get VWAP to add on this chart here, so I don't know why it's not there. EMAs are there, VWAP is not. Anyone know how to do it? I've done it on other. Me neither. I'll take a boat. Yeah, same here, man. I live close to the lake anyway. All right, so now our total P&L is $7, actually $2.25. So we need like to break even. We need 120 bucks on this trade. But I'm gonna hang tight because I'm fairly certain this isn't just a pullback, especially if we can close above all this. Yeah, we're going up. I really need to figure out VWAP because I don't know why I can't get it on here. It's on my other charts. Here, let me just show you. Log out. Hang on one second. Is it this one? Oh, it's Tradeify maybe. Don't worry, she's still pushing. Yeah, VWAP's on this one. And it's right here. VWAP. I don't know why I can't get it to volume based VWAP. Why is it not on the other? My target is 563, by the way, so we should make a few $100 on the trade. Let me log back out. One moment. Apex, there you are. All right, Apex. So like, look, volume base, VWAP, where you at? Wait, maybe that's why. VWAP. Nope, it's not there. So, hang on. That sucks, don't it? I know. We got a HelloFresh, and they're sending one early to us because of like the holiday, Labor Day, and we didn't have time to change our meals, so it picked chicken every single night of the week, every night. Me neither. I'll take a boat. Already read that. Crispy Ears also said I think 561, 565 may be in range. Yeah, give or take. I just want to make a couple $100 off this trade, to be honest with you. I'm really hoping for VWAP. Does anyone know how to add? I'm not a Trade of 8 trader. Lately I have been because I've been on the road, driving around job to job, but it's easy to use on the iPad, but I can't get VWAP to show up. I don't know why. VWAP is not here on volume, but it is on Tradeify. And I think on Take Profit Trader, it's there. Why is it not here? VWAP. I'm a VWAP trader. All right, this trade should be break even. It is. Should have scaled in just a little bit more. I use it and hate it. Use Trade of 8. Honestly, I've always hated it too, but lately I've been kind of liking it. I don't know why. I'm not used to, since I've been trading Top Step, I haven't really been using Ninja Trader much because I can't have it on my iPad. I don't know. I'm getting used to it is all I'm saying, and it's pretty simple on the iPad, which is good. I think I'm gonna scale in one more contract here. Keep my stop where it's at. 2 contracts long currently. I just hope it doesn't wick me down here. Yes, Trade of 8 charts suck. Execution on trades is good. Yeah, for sure. That's another reason why I like it. I've been liking it. I need to get rid of the volume stuff over here too. It doesn't show up on my iPad though. Yeah, execution and actual price, perfect. Literally perfect. But the charts do kind of suck. They're not terrible, but I use it like MetaTrader and chart elsewhere. Yeah, I agree. Typically, I chart in the morning before I leave for the day, and I kind of have my bias and levels marked and all that good stuff. So, don't really have to worry about charting on the go. And then I kind of trade with Top Step since it's trading view essentially. So I kind of use it for my levels as well. Next area of interest is somewhere in here, by the way. All right, Nasdaq, don't fail me. How much time's left on the 5? 15 seconds. Come on back to the upside. I said, oh man. All right, she might be coming down. Ugh, don't do it to me. All right, we're gonna exit one contract there, and then I'll keep the stop right here. Only reason I haven't tried Top Step is I don't want to be limited to one platform. I get it, I understand, but my goal really is to go live with Top Step, so I'm gonna trade my heart out on them. All right, we're down 235 on my Apex account, which sucks, but this is probably going to come back up. I mean, we kind of met up on the same levels here. Come down a little bit and then go back up. It's looking okay anyway for that. I don't want to see it retrace too much though. Keep my losers small and my winners big. That's the goal. I'm hoping this thing wicks pretty heavy. We have 3.5 minutes left. I need a timer bar on this thing. Let's see. If they made their platform available to other props, then they might have something going. I do like the look of the platform. Yeah, it's on daytraders.com, and if you go to Tradeify, let me just go to it. If you start a new challenge, go to growth. Hang on. Tradeify is bringing it to their platform. See Project X coming soon. And I heard through the grapevine that they are making a way to trade all your accounts. I think Tradeify, somebody's My Fund of Future. I don't remember who it was, to be honest with you. Somebody is making it possible to trade all of the accounts that you have on all prop firms. I think it might be Tradeify. Another wick here. Looking good. How much time left on this candle? Minute 48. I'm gonna wait a minute, and if it comes back down again, I'm probably gonna buy. Let's see, about here. I'll go ahead and set my buy limit. I don't think it's gonna come down that low, but maybe right there. Yeah, daytraders.com already has Top Step X. That's the first place I used Top Step X, was daytraders.com. Kind of want to jump in now. How much time is left? 1 minute. Oh, I feel like we're going to go for that VWAP, man. VWAP is like 563. And we're at 540. It's 20 points. $30 seconds left. Come on, knock me in one more. Next candle I'm in. Here we are. It's probably going to come down a little bit and then go up. All right, I'm in second contract now. Yeah, it's growing pretty crazy, ain't it, Chris? One thing I don't like about the Top Step platform is the VWAP. It changes. Like, I posted on X the other day, and Top Step replied with saying to open a ticket. I don't need to open a ticket. You guys saw my post, but I'm actually going to be featured on whose channel? Jesse W. His channel. Do you have a feeling it's going to be bullish tonight? No, not necessarily. I'm trading the range here, kind of. If you see, we've been respecting this area kind of higher than what I'm showing, but this is kind of what I'm thinking. I don't think it'll go below 526 for now. I feel like we retest VWAP, but I'm not sure, so don't take your trades just based off what I trade. And nothing in here is financial advice. No, your earnings aren't guaranteed. Oh yeah, I'm required to say that every day now. What was the statement? Let's see, forgot. Dun, dun, dun. All right, to make it clear, we are not making financial promises or alluding to easy success. Trading is hard. Listen, guys, no results are guaranteed. Trading is difficult, but these tools can help put you in a position to succeed. That's what I'm supposed to say. You get it. Touch of modern trading, 260 contracts at 23,500. Ouch. That's not good. I don't have have my order flow pulled up, but Frank DeVries, funny, he did well. Trucker Scott, external and internal range. If it breaks below the 534, I'm out. Tay-Day, hey, how you doing? How are you, sir? I'm doing well. They've been there since Friday. You talking about that order? For some reason, I'm not seeing all of the chat. I'm just now seeing a couple of them. 998, John, VWAP is a custom indicator. You get it by going to Explore Community Indicators and search VWAP. Then open up Indicators menu. Should be under CE Tools. Hey, man, I appreciate that. Let's see. Go to Explore Community Indicators. I didn't have to do that for... look at that. Any suggestions on which one? I didn't have to do that for the other chart. Thanks, Chris, for that information. I'm just going to use this one. We'll see how it goes. I'm serious. I never had to do it for the other... that's cool. I'm glad. All I did was go to the indicators, and there it was. So, all right. We're coming back up here. Another rejection. I feel like we have to test VWAP again. Like I said, we're still in this range. Kind of moving lower, but we still haven't broke the low. I mean, we've touched it though, so we might have. Yeah, we've touched the exact to the tick low, the final low there. Seems to be being respected, and yeah, but yeah, we're in 2 contracts currently long. I'm gonna check out the 1 minute here. I think I'm gonna exit about here. 550, 556. We'll see what candle momentum looks like when we get up there. But yeah, I feel like VWAP's a definite test. Look at that. I mean, we're kind of curving back to the upside. And that's kind of how I view the chart, by the way. All right, now we've gone from like down 300 to up, well, essentially break even. Look at that bull flag here on the 5 minute. Playing out perfect. What's up, Cave? How you doing, man? Don't start rejecting here. Don't you do it, Nasdaq. Yeah, so my stops are going to be right here. I mean, no matter what. Friday was an amazing day, wasn't it? Crazy price action. All right, bull flag playing out. Check out the 15 real quick. Higher time frame. Looks good. Check out the 30. Still looking good. All right. VWAP, here we come. VWAP on Trade8 is on volume-based tab. Yeah, I know. But it wasn't here until I went to the community thing, which, who was it? Who was it? Let me just find out. Somebody told me. Niner98. Appreciate that, sir. I don't know why it wasn't showing up. I've never had to add it. Sleepwalker, what's up, brother? All right, guys, hit that like button for me, please. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Discord is blowing up today. What is going on? Appreciate it, 998. Are you a Niners fan? 49ers? Oh, I feel like I can watch paint dry on my bed. Here, just good back in. Just got back in, ready for a new week. Heck yeah, man, me too. I'm hoping to crush it this week. Take what I get, though. I'm feeling okay. I just have like a sore throat, light headache, and right behind my eyes hurting. I'm a allergy sucker. Allergies are horrible. I love wintertime. I feel so much better. Hope you're feeling good too, bro. You're a Chiefs boy. I'm a Tennessee boy. Pro in college. I'll be right back. Keep hydrated, get well soon. Oh yeah, man. Staying hydrated. Spring water. Wife made some brownies. All right, we are looking at NQ. 2 contracts long currently, but Nasdaq just doesn't want to give it to me yet. Appreciate it, Cave. I feel better today. Yesterday was pretty brutal. Bad headache. Man, these brownies are good. Put some caramel on top. I need you to wick. Cave said, but yeah, I test Replicano and I recommend it. Hey, throw your affiliate link down. Yeah, I need some milk, but I'm lactose intolerant. I do like milk though. I use oat milk. Y'all go follow my boy Cave here. He posts videos on his stats and stuff. He's doing really good. I thought you had a link on your video. That's why I said throw your affiliate link. Emsky said, how funny I went from one streamer who's sick to another streamer who's sick. Who's sick, man? I know Wesley was. Antonio Dave, why are you going against the trend? Just curious. I'm not necessarily going against the trend. I was anticipating this being like a support and resistance kind of. So, and yeah, I mean, I thought we were bouncing here, but we aren't. I got in earlier. I was hoping it wasn't trying to trend down. It's not really trending just yet. Need a little bit more price action for a trend, in my opinion. Yeah, I remember seeing Wes was sick. I like that guy. He's cool. But yeah, no. I'm not trying to catch a falling knife or anything. I just had a trade idea, and I think overall it's gonna happen. I think we're gonna hit VWAP and maybe surpass it a little bit, come back into the 590s. But could be wrong. My channel's kind of boring. Mine is too, man. We're just chill people. Maybe in the future I'll do some exciting trading videos on how to trade and stuff. Yeah, y'all still go check them out. The link's in the thing down. Let's see. In the chat. Show him some love. Hit that subscribe button for him. So is Wes feeling better? Imsky? All right, now it's nice bounce up. Hopefully we can continue. I want less caramel. Antonio Dave, you trade with Apex? Yeah, this is an Apex account. This is an actual PA. Also trade Tradeify. I have 5 funded accounts on Tradeify currently. And 1 eval. I'll pull it up and show you. These 2 are new. Passed them on Friday.
Just kidding.
No, you ain't. Shouldn't be. And then I have 5 on Top Step also. What's up?
It's going down now, an hour later.
Yeah, me too. If this trade would hurry up. Do you know if my iPad's in the room?
It's right there. Last time I saw it.
No, it's not in here. I think I took it with me to
You took it with
pick up
you.
Haley. Yeah.
I've seen you.
Yeah, I took it with me to get Haley. Did you get you some brownie? Milk.
One for me, one for her.
What?
One for me, one for her.
Oh, so you got 2 of them? I'm just now getting through my first
I
one.
ate 2 of everything.
Nice. Does Trading Cat payouts, or is it like Apex where you can take out your max after 5 payouts? Does who cap your payouts? Tradify, the 25Ks you can make 1,000 each payout. Top Step, 10,000, 5,000 cap. Excuse me. Milk does sound good right now. Only one person went and subscribed to Cave. Come on, guys. Hit that subscribe button. He's going to be the futures guy. Let's see. Tradify. Yeah, no problem, Antonio. So when you go live with these firms, which I haven't accomplished yet, but I will. What I don't like is with Top Step you have to trade, I think it's 20 days, making $150 per day, and then Tradify is 30. It might be vice versa. I don't remember, but that part sucks. But with Take Profit Trader, you don't have to wait anytime. It's always daily payouts. Blues Trades, what's up, neighbor? How you doing? Well, we're out. That's the way the cookie crumbles. Man, that sucks. And it's gonna it just wicked me out. I bet it does go up. Today's the last day for 40% from Tradify, only one time use. The other day it was 50% one time use. But I'm maxed out, man. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 funded accounts, and then one backup that I'm trading. So I can't really. I guess I could get more evals like this here, but yeah, I don't anticipate needing any more. Stats are looking pretty good. I just got to get that consistency right. That's all. which we're close on these two. Let's see, the 25Ks have to, these are lightning funded. The two 25Ks have to be 20% consistency, and this one only needs to be 30. I've only been trading it a couple days now. Oh, man. Yeah, I don't need it either. I want to use it, but I don't need it. Yeah. What place gives you daily? Oh, sorry, Antonio. I didn't notice your chat there. Take Profit Trader. I only have one TPT account. But right now it sucks because, and just so you know, again, this password here does not work. I changed it. But I'm at my 5, but I hit, so I traded half of my eval. I did the 25K. I like the 25Ks. But did half my eval in 2 days, and then got the other half, which shouldn't be 65%. That really, I sent them a email about it. Maybe they'll fix it, but I don't know. You Gucci, and thanks, man. I might get one. Yeah, get you one. I've had a bunch. I have had a bunch. Quite a bunch. Look at that. Holy cow. She might be coming down for a little while. New low of day. I just bought a Billnox. I've got 5 Billnox. Got a bunch. I barely ever trade Billnox. I don't like Rhythmic. I have a hard time closing my trades. I have a hard time any Rhythmic. The earn to trade account that they gave me the other day, I couldn't even close a position. Nothing worked. It might be my setup. I don't know. Other people, no one else has that problem, but I do. These Billnox keep rebilling. I need to close them because I'm not going to trade them. Good night, Antonio. Well, this doesn't look very good, does it? I guess I'm going to close it out. Actually, I'm just going to move my stop to about right there. 4 micros, man. Blues Trades. Email them. You can get them to switch to Project X. Oh, they have Project X? Billnox does? I didn't even know that. That's a game changer right there. I don't see any option for Project X. But I will do that. Most definitely. I see it. Category question, request switching to trading platform Rhythmic to Project X. All right, we're out of the trade. Boom. We're switching. I see that. Blues, I didn't know that. I never knew that. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4 accounts. All right. Well, I'm glad that's over with. Still have some area of interest here. Could turn around, but I'm not going to stick around to find out. I appreciate that information. I'm glad you were here. I did not know that. I like Project X, okay? I'm not like a huge fan of it, but I did find a bug and VWAP moves. So the other day it was on the bottom and then the top. Here, let me show you. Go to my X account. I posted it on X. It's a little wild, but hopefully they fix it. Let's see. Dun, dun, dun. All right, so let me put my X account up here. So this is what I posted. I tagged Michael Tag and Top Step. There's a bug on your chart making VWAP move up and down when you move the chart. I'm a VWAP trader and I like using it for a bounce, but I cannot tell if it's on top or bottom. I have to check another chart just to get a clear picture. Thanks. So here it is at 569. Here it is at 540. It's the exact same time frame. Everything's the same. It's a little more stretched, but look, it's way down here next. And these are the same charts, right? Literally the same. Just a few moments later. So, good night, Frank. So if you plan to trade using VWAP, make sure you check it on like TradingView or Ninja Trader or whatever other chart. But VWAP was perfectly right here. Just remember these two candles are here, this wick and this wick, right? Here's that wick and here's that wick. Look at VWAP. And then you can remember this. It's straight through these two. And then boom, it's way down here. It's going for those orders at 500. I think you're right, man. It may be. She's selling off, huh? We're not far from it, so. I mean, I fully expected to close all this fair value gap. Or come into it, maybe. I don't know. We did have a huge day to the upside. That was what, 400 points maybe? 200 or 300 points? I can't remember, but it was quite a bit. Let's see. $255 to a lot. 400 points. All right, so I've taken my two losing trades. We're down 585 on Apex. Not a big deal because I can fix it tomorrow. Sleepwalker, I think so too. Yeah. I feel like it's going to go lower than that. It can, for sure. I'm probably gonna sell a micro on an eval and see what happens for tomorrow. Let me log into. Actually, I have a bunch of. I need a fresh one. All right. Sell one for that account. 139. Sell one. 138. Sorry, 1 second. All right, these are all passed. I gotta pay for those tomorrow. All right. It will be interesting when it hits those orders. We'll probably grab a bit lower. Yeah, I think we might come down to the 23,349 area. Maybe not. I mean, who knows? It could climb up too, but I feel like we kind of retest these lows before going higher. This is the daily. I don't know. Anyway, guys, I'm going to hop off here. It is time for me to get some rest. I'm not feeling that great. And got to work in the morning. So, yeah. Gonna hop off here. I appreciate you guys hanging out. Appreciate you guys talking to me in the chat. Appreciate you hitting that like button. Appreciate all the new subscribers. Thank you so much. Life of Worm. Did you check the calendar for news? No, not yet. I haven't. I usually do that in bed. We don't have a lot. One moment. Here is news. I've got orange folder and red folder only on my. So I got it filtered out, but anyway, and US only. Appreciate it, Emski. Thank you so much. We have Thursday, 8:30 a.m. unemployment claims, and Friday another red folder, but rest is all orange and not really market moving information, but could be. Later, guys. Hope you guys have a good night. Good night, MT. Appreciate you guys hanging out. I am off to bed. Just go through here and make sure I cancel any trades on. I don't know.